In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell Framer websites to clients. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by finding your niche and clarifying the value you bring. Specializing makes your offering easier to sell. Pick a few industries you know well, like SaaS product pages or creative portfolios, and build templates or services tailored to their common needs. When you talk to prospects, lead with benefits rather than features. Explain how Framer helps them get faster loading pages, richer interactivity like animations and hover effects, and overall better user experience. Frame those capabilities in terms of the client's problems, higher conversions, shorter development timelines, or a polished brand presence. So the value is obvious. Next, prepare a professional, customer-ready offering. Design high-quality, responsive templates that have clear navigation, thoughtful accessibility, and interactive elements that feel intentional rather than gimmicky. Test performance on mobile and desktop and optimize images and animations so pages load quickly. Create a remix link in Framer by using File a Copy Remix Link. This lets buyers duplicate your project and claim ownership without you having to rebuild or transfer files manually. On your product pages, include that remix link so buyers get instant access after purchase. Use a storefront platform like Lemon Squeezy to list templates, manage payments, and deliver the remix link automatically. Add helpful extras to the listing: screenshots, short demo videos, a simple README that explains how to customize the template, and clear licensing and pricing so there's no confusion. When you're ready to market and sell, show rather than just tell. Share live previews and remix links during outreach so potential clients can experience interactivity firsthand. Record a quick guided walkthrough to highlight the parts that will matter most to them: hero animations, responsive behavior, or conversion-focused sections. Personalize your outreach. Look for businesses on Instagram or LinkedIn that have outdated or missing sites, and send concise, value-driven messages explaining what you can improve and why it will help their business. Finally, offer a clear handoff process. Give clients options. They can duplicate your project with the remix link or be added to your Framer team if collaboration is needed, but be transparent that extra editors may incur costs. Provide a short checklist for handoff, include any credentials or documentation the client needs, and offer optional support or updates as a follow-up service. Follow these steps, and you'll have a repeatable process for selling Framer websites that clients understand and trust.